Hello, I want to show you in a short version the blueCompact app. First I have the app on the iPhone, then I have an electronic cylinder, our master key and a passive electronic key. This app is used to manage the locking system from this master key. First I start the app and activate the master key with a button. They connect with each other, and I have to log in via a password. They communicate via Bluetooth Low Energy. The master key is a database of the locking system, and when I enter into the app, I have 4 tabs: one for the keys, one for the cylinders, one for the informations of the master key, and one for help. First I want to show you the keys. I have 3 keys in my locking system, and I want you to show how I can add a new key in the system. For that I have to connect the passive key with the master key and press the plus, say enter key. The key will the master will read the passive key and enter it to the system. I can give the key a name, for example this name, and then I will get the details of the key, the name, the color, the rights, and the ID of the key. When I press ready, the new key will enter into the list. Now I can show you that the key does not has a right in the cylinder. I can enter it, but I can turn it. The next part I want to show you is to give the key, the passive key, the right to log into the cylinder. For that I have to go to the cylinder, go to the details of the cylinder, and I get an animation that I have to put the master key into the cylinder. That are the details. One is the name, the group of the key of the cylinder, the battery, the firmware version, and now I can see which key has the rights in the cylinder to log in. Now I change the right of the new key. I tap on the switch. Now the passive key has the right to lock into the cylinder. Now I could open the door, for example. Other parts are the details of the master key. I can see the battery status of the master key, the firmware version, how many cylinders and locks, keys are in the system, and several special functions. For example, to change the password or to see the locking plan of the system. I can see which key fits in which cylinder. And the last part is still in development. Is the help. I can look for several helps, and at the moment there are shown videos from YouTube, but they still will get a step-by-step help with text and pictures. I hope you you understand what I want to show you. And if you have further questions, please ask me. Thanks.